Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss a pseudo first order reaction for class +2. So what type of reactions are pseudo first order reactions? The reactions which are expected to follow high order kinetics. The reactions which are expected to follow high order kinetics, but actually they follow low order kinetics. Expected to follow high order kinetics, but actually they follow low order kinetics. Means they are expected to have a high number of order, but actually their order of reaction is low. In other words, we can say a bimolecular reaction. A bimolecular reaction behaves like a first order reaction. A bimolecular reaction behaves like a first order reactions. Means two molecules are involved, but rate of reaction is dependent on one molecule only one concentration term. For example, I have A plus B to give products. A plus B to give products. If I write the rate of reaction R equal to K A raised to power 1 B raised to power 1. This is a second order reaction. Sum of the exponential power is called order. So 1 plus 1 2. But if one of the reactant is taken in excess, then there is no significant change in its concentration. Means rate will not depend on that concentration term. So if B is taken in excess, then R is written as R equal to K A raised to power 1. So now rate will not depend on the concentration of B. So now this is a first order kinetics, pseudo first order kinetics with respect to A. And if A is taken in excess, then rate will depend on only concentration term B. Clear? They are expected to follow high order kinetics, but actually they behave as a low order reactions. And it is possible only when one of the concentration term of reactant is present in excess. With respect to that reactant, rate will not depend on that. Clear? What are the examples? Examples are very easy. For example, hydrolysis of ester. Ester. Ester is RCOR dash plus water. Reaction takes place in presence of acid. As a result, acid and alcohol is formed. Hydrolysis of ester, as a result, acid and alcohol is formed. But if I write the rate equation R equal to K concentration of ester and concentration of water, so it seems like as a second order reaction. But as if we change the concentration of hydrogen in excess, if water is present in excess, then there is no significant change in the concentration of water. So rate will not depend on the concentration of water. So if water is in excess, so now rate is R equal to K concentration of ester. So now this is a first order reaction. But in actual reaction there are two molecules, 1 2. So molecularity is 2, but rate of reaction is first. Order of reaction is first. So we can say hydrolysis of ester is a pseudo first order reaction. Means a bimolecular reaction behaves like as a first order reaction. Two molecules are involved, but rate of reaction is dependent on one concentration term of a reactant that is present in normal concentration. It will not depend on the reactant which is present in excess, as we can't determine the significant change in concentration. Easy. So first example is a hydrolysis of ester. Now second example is inversion of cane sugar. Again it is a hydrolysis of cane sugar. C12H22O11, that is a cane sugar, plus water. As a result, two molecules of glucose are formed. So if both reactants are present in normal concentration, then it will be second order reaction. But again, if water is present in excess, so we can't determine the significant change in its concentration. So rate will not depend on the concentration of water. Rate will depend only on the concentration of sugar. So its actual rate will be R equal to K concentration of sugar. So again, what we can see, there are two molecules, bimolecular reaction, but following a first order kinetics, first order reaction. So inversion of cane sugar is again pseudo first order reaction. Clear? So these are the two examples, hydrolysis of ester and inversion of cane sugar. Both these reactions are bimolecular, but following first order kinetics. That's why they both are considered as a pseudo first order reaction. That is for a complete pseudo first order reactions. I hope you would get it at home. Stay at home and keep exploring my channel for further notifications.